Everyone, Rebecca here, and today I'm so excited to share with you these solar floating pool lights, and they were gifted to me in exchange for my review. As I open it up, I noticed that they were packed very well, so they ensured they got to me in one piece. It does come with a remote, and then the two lights themselves. Now these are LED, and they just are so bright at nighttime. It also came with instructions, and these instructions will go into deep detail how well these will work for you. Now, as you can see, these are crafted so well. They're all enclosed, and that solar panel on the top will make it charge very easily. You can just throw them right in the pool. They are waterproof, and honestly, look at how it popped up and it's ready to illuminate. It takes about 5 to 6 hours to fully charge these, but it will last about 8 hours. I can know from my own experience, they were still lit after 12 hours. Now, I know I'm showing you in my pool, but you could also put these in your yard, in a tree, hang them, anything. These illumination lights are just perfect for any party, barbecue, or just to have illumination that sets the ambiance in your backyard. All in all, these are great solar lights, and I do suggest them.